excited. I love getting mail. The mailman knows me because I get so much mail. Anyway, I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys for some of the stuff that we're doing for summer. So let's get into it. This one is personally from moi, so we'll do this one last. And this one I opened because the tape was crazy, but the first thing that I got, my kindergartner is learning to read, so of course we got All About Reading. I love All About Reading, one of the best reading curriculums out there to really like learn all the different rules for reading. So we have the different readers here. And then the manual. We also have the activity book for the kids. There's lots of fun games in here, different little games, different things to read, but I'll do a full review of All About Reading in another video, so look for that. And now, for moi. Okay, take the energy down a bit. So the first thing that I got for myself, this is personally to read this summer for myself, is The Fallacy Detective. It's a book or curriculum that my kids will go through once they're in the challenge program. However, I just really wanted to do this. And then, obviously, Lee Borton's books. We read through the first one, and these are the next two since my kids are going to be going into challenge, so I wanted to educate myself on that too. So my summer reads. This was just a quick little unboxing video, but I will go through all the curriculums that we use at length, sharing which ones that I've truly loved and which ones have not been the best. But stay tuned for my next video and I'll go through all of that.